I'm Joe Lewis, sales manager at JC Lewis Ford, fourth generation Lewis and Lewis family. And
my name is Armando Zambrano. I'm a Ford fan. Yeah, since 6 years old. So here we go.
Heck yeah. You hear that? Nice. Look at that. That is cool. Original owner guide. 1993 Bronco. Look at all these original pamphlets and books that came with this 1993 Bronco. And then the window sticker. That is super cool. That is super cool. So how long did you say you've had this thing for?
Well, I have to tell you the story. When I moved to Georgia, I needed a toy to play, so let's see if we can get something that I can work with. So I was looking around.
I'd say this is a pretty good toy.
Oh yeah. So one of the things that I was looking for, it was for undisturbed Bronco. So I found this back in Tampa. So I drove like 400 miles to get it, and then I drove home. The only thing I asked for the dealer, it was like, you have to guarantee that I'm gonna get home.
Yeah.
Because it was not in a very good shape per se.
And
then I got it home, and then my wife was like with a fancy look like, oh, there we go again.
So you've had it how long now? How many years?
3 years.
3 years.
I bought it in March 2017. I worked on the brakes and the suspension, changing all the rubber stuff, putting new tires.
Okay.
Obviously, the first thing I ordered, it was the air conditioning, because it didn't have one. It was equipped, but it didn't have one working. So
yeah.
The last thing I did is I added an electrical fan, so it can help. When you're installing, it's still blowing cold.
Yeah,
absolutely. Which is typically for an old Ford. When you stop,
slows down.
Yeah, because of the fan clutch. So the one needs to work a little bit better.
Yeah, and that's important out here in the summertime.
Oh yeah.
You gotta have that air conditioning.
Yeah, in the southern state, you appreciate having an AC unit.
And you're originally from where?
I Mexican national. I born in Mexico, but I work for an aerospace company that everybody knows around. So they invited me to work here in Savannah, but I've been working with them for the last 22 years. So,
what car were you driving before you got this one?
Okay, well, my Ford history started like when I was 6 years old. My grandpa had an '78 orange Ford. It was a Ranger, but it was a single cab, 3-speed change. And we
three on the tree is what we call that.
So we used to go to the ranch. He had a ranch in northwest Mexico, but he always buy Fords. And then he had another F-150. So when I was 15 years old, it's one of the first cars that I drove. This is when I started getting into like the Fords. In the house, I'll say we have other cars, but we always have Fords.
Always have Fords. Good deal. That's what we like to hear.
I got an 05 F-150, which I still have in Mexico.
Okay.
And I modify him heavily. That's why I cannot bring it to the States yet.
Oh, really?
Yes. We were doing Baja Racing, and I was actually the chaser.
Really?
Yeah, I had good memories for that truck, so that I will never sell it. I told my wife.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if y'all don't know, Armando here is not only a Bronco collector aficionado, but he's a Baja Racer. Baja Racer.
Yeah,
Bronco owner.
I have some relatives still in California, and they race tubular engine.
That's awesome. You excited about the new Bronco?
Yes, man. It seems like
it's been too long, hasn't it?
Well, they had time to think about what to come next. So I from what I'm hearing, it's a good thing. Actually,
Would that be what you would consider your favorite part about this Bronco? Is its off-road and outdoor capability?
obviously, you know, this one is a stock. It's not made to crawl over the rocks, but it does its job well, you know.
Yeah, which is a feature that the new one's going to come with.
Yes, the goat.
Yep.
Go over all terrain.
Yep.
That's a nice
GOAT.
feature.
That's right. Yep. 235,000 miles.
Still runs.
Still going strong.
Yeah. Hopefully, I can get for another 200.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
32-gallon fuel tank with skid plate. That's a big fuel tank.
Yeah.
The new Bronco will get a little bit better fuel economy than that right there. And when I say a little bit, I mean a lot of it. What colors do you like that they're coming out with?
I saw like a pale green. I don't know the name of the paint, but there's like a pale green. They are really
like area. I think one of them's Area 51.
Oh yeah, that one.
That one.
Area 51. That's
Cactus gray looks cool too.
Yes.
And they've got black. They've got a couple shades of blue. They've got that bright orange, cyber orange.
I like the names though.
Mm-hmm. The names are super cool, and then the names of the trim levels is cool too.
They should come with the zombie apocalypse. That could be a cool one, right?
Apocalypse coming.
Yeah, we're here in Georgia, man. You know.
Yeah.
There's no place better than Georgia to.
The Walking Dead style.
Yeah. Yes.
Is this new too, or did they install that in here?
Oh, I got it.
Oh wow. Camera. Nice. He's got a backup camera. I wish y'all could see this. He's got a backup camera in his '93 Bronco, and it's a good one too. As soon as we get our first one in, we'll have to give you a call.
Oh yes.
Let you come look at it.
We can do a comparison.
Yeah, absolutely.
One day, when I get done.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I enjoy every minute of it. You know.
I bet.
You know, it's not a perfect one, but it's a solid one that you can work with.
No, I like it.
It takes me from point A and B.
Point A to point B.
Yeah, and does what it's supposed to do. So I'm a happy camper.
Absolutely. For 27 years, been taking people from point A to point B.
We got safe and sound.
Yep, made it back safe. Well, man, I appreciate it.
Take care, my friend.
Appreciate you letting us take a look inside your Bronco, pick your brain about it, and coming out here giving us your time.
Yes,
we owe it to you. We'll invite you back once we get one in. Like you said, we can put them side by side and take a look at the similarities and the differences.
How you liking the new Bronco?
Very good. Yeah, that's very good.
Let's take it for a spin.